Want to lose weight while still enjoying delicious food? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the paradox. It's entirely possible and simpler than you might think. We often associate weight loss with bland, uninteresting food. We imagine plates full of greens, boiled vegetables, and tasteless protein. Sure, they're healthy, but they don't exactly tantalize the taste buds. The common misconception is that tasty food and weight loss are mutually exclusive. But what if we told you that's not the case? The truth is, there are plenty of foods out there that are not only bursting with flavor, but also packed with nutrients that can aid in weight loss. Sounds intriguing? Well, get ready to be amazed as we're about to introduce you to 16 such foods that can help you shed those extra pounds while still satisfying your palate. Stay tuned to find out about these 16 incredible foods that can help you shed those extra pounds. Starting off our list with the first 4 foods that are not only delicious, but also aid in weight loss. First up, we have berries. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and water, helping you stay full and satisfied longer. Next, we have Greek yogurt. This tangy treat is a protein powerhouse that aids in muscle recovery and keeps hunger at bay. It's also a great source of calcium and probiotics, contributing to a healthy gut. Moving on to eggs. Once feared for their cholesterol content, eggs are now recognized as a nutrient-dense food that can help you feel full and consume fewer calories. Last but not least, green tea. Known for its antioxidant properties, green tea can also boost your metabolism, helping your body burn more calories even when at rest. Aren't these foods already making you feel healthier? But wait, there's more. Moving on to the next 4 foods that are equally tasty and beneficial for weight loss. Let's start with almonds. These nuts are not just crunchy and delicious, but they also come packed with proteins and healthy fats that can keep you satiated for longer periods, making your weight loss journey a tad easier. Next, we have oatmeal. This fiber-rich food is an ideal breakfast option. It not only fills you up, but also keeps your blood sugar levels stable, preventing those mid-morning snack attacks. Then there's fish. High in protein and low in calories, fish is a great choice for those looking to shed pounds. Plus, the omega-3 fatty acids found in fish can help reduce inflammation in the body. Finally, we have avocados. While they are high in fat, it's the good kind of fat that can actually help you lose weight by keeping you full and satisfied. The list is just getting better, isn't it? But hold on, we're just halfway through. Now, let's dive into the next set of foods that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. First up, we have quinoa. This grain is a powerhouse of protein and fiber, 2 nutrients that work hand in hand to keep you feeling full and satisfied. The high fiber content also aids digestion and helps to keep your metabolism running strong. Next on our list are chia seeds. Don't let their tiny size fool you. These little seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to suppress your appetite and reduce body fat. Apples, as they say, can keep the doctor away. But did you know they can also keep the pounds at bay? Apples are high in fiber and water, helping you feel full, and they're also low in calories. Last but not least, we have spinach. This leafy green is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a perfect addition to any weight loss plan. We're sure you're surprised by some of these, but there's still more to come. And finally, rounding off our list with the last 4 foods that can help you lose weight. Let's delve into the world of bell peppers, lentils, grapefruit, and watermelon. First up, bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are a treasure trove of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which can boost your metabolism and help burn more calories. Next, lentils. High in protein and fiber, they keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack on empty calories. Moving on to grapefruit. It's not just a breakfast favorite, it's also a weight loss ally. With its high water content and low calorie count, it's a refreshing way to keep your diet in check. Last but definitely not least, watermelon. This summer staple is more than 90% water, making it a delicious way to stay hydrated and curb cravings. And there you have it, 16 delicious foods that can help you lose weight. To sum up, losing weight doesn't have to mean sacrificing taste. Let's take a quick look back at the 16 remarkable foods we've explored today, all of which can help you shed those unwanted pounds while still delighting your taste buds. We started our journey with leafy greens packed with fiber and incredibly low in calories. Then we moved on to lean meats like chicken breast, a high-protein option that boosts your metabolism. Whole eggs, a powerhouse of nutrients, followed closely. The fourth food was fish, another high-protein food that also contributes to a feeling of fullness. Next, we highlighted the benefits of avocados, rich in healthy fats and fiber. We talked about the magic of grapefruit in reducing insulin resistance. Nuts, though high in fat, made our list for their balanced amounts of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. And we didn't forget the humble potato, a food that offers a diverse range of nutrients and keeps you feeling full. We then explored the world of legumes and beans, great sources of protein and fiber. We discovered the benefits of whole grains, which can boost your metabolic health. We also noted the importance of chili peppers in weight loss thanks to capsaicin, a substance that can reduce appetite and increase fat burning. The 12th food was fruit, a healthy, fiber-rich choice that's also incredibly satisfying to the sweet tooth. Finally, we wrapped up with 4 dairy products: cottage cheese, full-fat yogurt, chia seeds, and coconut oil. Each of these offer unique benefits, ranging from high protein content to probiotics that can aid in weight loss. The key takeaway from our exploration is the importance of maintaining a balanced diet. Including these foods in your meals can not only aid in weight loss, but also contribute to overall health. Remember, the aim is to create a sustainable eating pattern that you can stick to in the long run. Remember, the key to weight loss is balance and moderation. So include these foods in your diet and enjoy a healthier, fitter you. Thanks for watching.